Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Speed. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In this video, as you can see, I will trade using Droid app. It will be a new live trading session. So if you want to see today's trading session and the results, stay here until the end of this video. Today is Friday, it is a big volatility in the market, so it will be a short trading session. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. I hope everybody's fine today. Today being Friday, the weekend is coming, is here, and in today's video, I will make a short live trading session using Droid trading app. For those of you who are new to my channel and don't know about Droid, it is a semi-automated trading software. That means by the click of a button, you can choose a signal provided by the app and you can place that signal into your assigned broker account. If you want to use Droid, you need to top up, you need to fund your broker account, your assigned broker account with the minimum $250. And all you have to do is to go here to click on the register button and just follow the steps that I showed you in the previous videos about Droid. I'll put a video somewhere here if you want to follow up the registration process. And then when you will be inside, let me go ahead, and this is my live account with Droid. Click when you are here on this page here, you will see balance zero and the profit zero. Of course, you have to go ahead and click on the deposit button. It will direct you to your assigned broker account, in which you will have to make a deposit, the deposit that I told you of the minimum $250, and you will be able to, after the deposit, you will be able to start using Droid app. I'm using this app for 6-7 months. I think I already made a withdrawal of $10,000, and now I have into my older account, which was with IC Markets. I have now 90 more than $19,000, and because you asked me, I started a new account from scratch, uh, because you wanted me to show you the process on how to sign up with your broker, how to synchronize the broker account with the app. And now my broker is FTG Markets. The app, it is very simple to use. As you can see, we don't have there are not too many things that you have to take care. The only thing that you have to do after you make the deposit, just go here, select here all the cryptocurrency pairs or currency pairs that you want to trade with. After you check the economic calendar and also the economic calendar for cryptocurrencies, and see where there is not a big volatility in the market for any assets, just select or deselect those assets that you want to trade with. So deselect the assets and leave the assets that you want to trade with, and you're good to go. All you have to do is to click here on the on button, and as you can see now, the app, the software, the trading software is on, and we are waiting the trading signals to populate here in this trading box. You'll see after I will make a trade, you'll see the open trades here in this box, and here is the trade history. Here we have the real mode. Here is the demo account. You can try the demo account also. Is coming the software, it is coming with a demo account. And we already have a signal on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which is a short, a sell. And let's click on trade, and that's it. You can see it here, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar in this box. We have also Ethereum euro. Let's click on trade, And also here we have the trading charts, the live news, the market news. Because why you see this? Because the trading software, it's using fundamental analysis, which is based on news released, and also technical analysis to provide the best signals in the market. All right, we have another signal on Euro USD, which is a buy. Let's click on trade. You know that today it was the data release for United States non-farm payrolls, and experts consider non-farm payrolls as an economic growth engine and the second most important economic indicator after GDP, and its high volatility affect the behavior of the US dollar. It's a great opportunity to follow and to place trades based on US dollar pairs. We have US dollar Japanese yen, which is a long, a buy. We have GBP Canadian dollar, which is a buy also. Okay, New Zealand dollar, we have US dollar. You see, most of the trades are with US dollar pair. And I'm trading, as you can see, with $50. You can set here starting from $25 to $2,500. That is it's based on your balance. Now I have only $1,300 into my account, and I'm trading with $50. But when my balance start to increase, I will increase also this amount here, this trading amount here. US dollar Swiss franc, it is a short, a sell. Let's click on trade. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades. Let's wait for a few more. Why do I trust this crypto Droid trading software? Because I already use it before, and I have very good profits with it. We have GBP USD signal. It is a sell. Let's place this one also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades. So we have 8 trades today. Let's wait for two more to make 10 trades, and that's it. This will be the today's trading session. We have Bitcoin Euro, which is a buy. Let's have a look here on Bitcoin. Let's have a look on the chart on Bitcoin Euro, and as it was a downtrend, and now it is an uptrend on Bitcoin against Euro. During the time this trading software showed its profitability, and that's why I am keep using it over and over again. Australian dollar Swiss franc, let's click on trade, and that's it. We have 10 trades placed. So from my experience now, I know that this will take some time in order to this trades to close, so I will be back to you as soon as these trades will start to close. So stay here, don't go, I'll be back. All right, everyone. I'm back with today's trading session with Crypto Trade. We still have the free trades to close, two now, and let's see what was happening until now. We have from 10 trades, two more to close, and we have. Let me have a look here. We are on free. We have 8 trades, 6 trades in the money, 5 trades in the money, and 3 out of the money. So we have $100 profit until now, $150. Another one is closed. Let's wait for the last one to close. Let's see here. We have Ethereum Euro. It was a sell, a winning trade. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, a sell, winning trade. Euro USD, it was a buy, winning trade. GBP USD, a sell, losing trade. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, a buy, losing trade. US dollar Japanese yen, a buy, winning trade. GBP Canadian dollar, a buy, winning trade. US dollar Swiss franc, a buy, winning trade. And Bitcoin Euro, a buy, winning trade. And the last one, Australian dollar, it was just closed as you saw it. Australian dollar Swiss franc, it was a losing trades. So we have one, two, three, four losing trades and six in the money. So and six trades in the money. So we have a total profit of $100 today. I told you today is Friday. It is a big volatility in the market. Only $100 profit today. It's okay. It's fine. We will try more next week. All right, so if you want to try crypto droid, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to try it on the demo, and then when you decide that you want to try it with real money, click here on the deposit button. It will take you to your assigned broker account. Fund your account with the minimum $250 and start trading using crypto droid app. That was the video for today. I hope you like it. Give me a like. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye.